When you open a GAC Corporate Academy course, you'll see a clean, organized layout. The course modules appear on the left, your learning content is displayed in the center, and the block drawer is located on the right. The course module tabs help you identify where you are within the course and allow you to move between modules. You can click on the module tabs to return to the main page of the course. Access to the next module unlocks once you complete all required activities in the current module. The block drawer can be expanded or collapsed. Each course has a unique set of blocks. Be sure to check them out. From the central area navigation, you can view the general information about the course, participants taking the course, your grades, and the list of activities available on the course. The Activities page displays an overview of all activities in the course, with dates and other information. You can expand the type of activity and view the activity's information and the current status of your activity. Activities and resources display completion criteria on the right side of each activity card. Once you complete a specific activity, the completion status is updated. Enjoy your learning experience.